Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Dave easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, gather all your financial documents in one place. This includes your income statements and monthly expenses. Identify your sources of income, such as salary and side jobs. Next, calculate your total monthly income. Now, list all of your fixed expenses. These are costs like rent, utilities, and insurance. Once listed, add up your fixed expenses. Proceed to identify variable expenses. Variable expenses include groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Estimate your average monthly spending on these items. Add your total fixed and variable expenses together. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. This will give you your monthly cash flow. If you have a positive cash flow, you're on the right track. If it's negative, consider adjusting your expenses. Now, create a budget category for savings. Aim for at least 10 to 20% of your income to be saved. Next, allocate funds for debt repayment if applicable. Make sure to prioritize high-interest debts first. Using a budgeting app or spreadsheet can help you stay organized. Track your spending throughout the month. Adjust your budget as needed based on actual expenses. At the end of the month, review your budget. Analyze what categories exceeded expectations. Make necessary adjustments for the following month. Stay disciplined and stick to your budget as closely as possible. Over time, this will help you achieve your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.